If a couple wants to satisfy their desires, must it always be with the hopes of having children? No. Not at all. It's permissible in Sharia, even required in Sharia, to have sexual relations with a woman who is demonstrably sterile or barren. That's still one of her rights. It's part of the tahsin. Or if she is past childbearing age, the principle of tahsin still applies. There's a kind of prejudice in some parts of the Muslim world today that it's something wahish, disagreeable if a woman is older. I don't say really ancient, but older, for her to continue to be sexually active, but that's something that doctors and fuqaha alike would regard as pointless and invalid. No, فَإِنَّ فِي بُضْعِ أَحَدِكُمْ صَدَقَةً. In the sexual act of each of you there is a sadaqah, a charity. Not because it's going to lead to children necessarily, but because it's an anticipation of the unitive joys of the akhirah. Allah wants the Muslims to be happy.